Hey traders, welcome back to Propfirm Pilot. I'm Avinash and today we are diving into high-stake showdown between three instant funding giants. Instant funding versus Finotive Standards and Finotive Aggressive. No evaluation, no delays, just raw capital, live accounts, and real opportunities. But which one gives you the best edge? Lower fees, better payout terms, higher leverage, or flexible rules? Stick around. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which instant funding path fits your trading style. So let's launch straight in. So here I'll be explaining the features side by side to make it easy to compare for each instant funding model. So let's start with the availability of account sizes. So for instant funding account sizes, it varies from $625 to 80K, while for Finotive Standards and Aggressive, it starts from 2.5K to 200K. Talking about the fees, so for instant funding, it starts from $44, ranging up to $3,460, while for Finotive Standards and Finotive Aggressive, the fees remains the same, that is $99 to 2.5K dollars. And if we take a look at the profit split, in instant funding it is 80%, and with an add-on, which needs a little amount of fees, it extends up to 90%, while in Finotive Standard it's up to 60%, and after scaling, it goes up to 75%. For Aggressive one, it's 65%, and of course, after scaling, it goes up to 75%. So talking about the payout frequency, for instant funding, it's on demand after 14 days. That is, once you buy an account and place a trade, so after 14 days, you can take on demand payout and then it becomes weekly. It is some kind of similar for Finotive Standard and Finotive Aggressive. Your first payout will be on demand while the other payouts will be weekly. And if you are taking instant funding account for day trading, then leverage really matters for you. In instant funding model, the leverage for Forex is 1:100, while in Finotive Standard it's 1:33, and in Finotive Aggressive it's 1:25. Talking about the daily drawdown, so in instant funding model, your maximum drawdown is your daily drawdown, as in your account will only be breached once you reach the 10% of the threshold, while in Finotive Standard it's 3.5 and in Finotive Aggressive it's 7%. Talking about the maximum drawdown, so it's 10% and it is trailing, as in if you make 5% profit, then your maximum drawdown will also shift upward, which means let's say your initial drawdown was $9,000 and you made a profit of 5%, which is $500. So then your maximum drawdown will shift to $9,500. But for Finotive Standard and Finotive Aggressive, the drawdown is static. So in Finotive Standard, it's 7%, and in Finotive Aggressive, it's 14%. And if you are an aggressive trader, so news trading might be a game changer for you. So in instant funding model, the news trading is not allowed, but it is allowed after taking an add-on. While in Finotive Standard and Aggressive, the news trading is allowed in normal plans. And if you are someone whose trades run overnight, so let me tell you that all of these three programs are having overnight holding. While for weekend holding, only instant funding model doesn't allow weekend holding. And both of the Finotive program allows weekend holding. Talking about the minimum trading days, so there are no minimum trading days in all of the three programs. And if you are looking for scale up plan, so in instant funding model, it can go up to 1.28 million. While for Finotive, in both program, it can go up to 3.2 million. Talking about the platforms, so instant funding model provides multiple platform support, that is CTrader, DXTrade and Platform 5, while Finotive supports only MetaTrader 5. And if you are concerned about the instruments, so all of these three instant funding programs offers Forex, indices, commodities and cryptos. And of course, once you are having an instant funding account, you might need support. When instant funding, you can get live support, email and Discord, while Finotive stands ahead with AI agents and Discord. And if you care about the Trustpilot rating, so instant funding is having 4.4 Trustpilot rating, while Finotive is having 4 Trustpilot rating. And that wraps up our deep dive into instant funding, Finotive Standard and Finotive Aggressive. If you are looking for high leverage and customizable options, instant funding might be your play. especially with add-ons. But if you prefer a structured scaling plan with clear risk limits, Finotive Standard and Aggressive models could give you the consistency you need. And at the end of the day, the best Propfirm isn't the biggest account or high split. It's about what matches your trading style, your discipline, and your goals. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Propfirm Pilot, and drop a comment letting me know which firm you are lean toward, or if there is another one you want me to break down. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, trade smart and stay disciplined.